Have you ever wondered why some of your desires seem to remain just out of reach? This question might resonate with you as it does with so many of us. Desires and wishes are a universal part of the human experience. We all have dreams that seem to loom on the horizon, always alluring, always just beyond our grasp. These longings can range from the simple to the profound, from material possessions to emotional fulfillment, from personal success to shared joy. Now, imagine if there was a way to turn these yearnings into reality, a technique that could help you align your desires with the universe and bring them within your reach. This, my friends, is where the law of attraction comes into play. The law of attraction posits that like attracts like, that our thoughts have the power to shape our reality. But there's a method to turn these wishes into reality, and it's called the scripting method. What if I told you that you could write your way to your dreams? Yes, this isn't a plot from a fantasy novel, but a powerful method called scripting connected to the law of attraction. So, what exactly is this scripting method? Well, it's a creative process where you write a story about your life based on how you want it to be. It's like you're the author of your own life story, and you get to decide how the plot unfolds. Your pen becomes your magic wand, and the paper your canvas of infinite possibilities. Now you might wonder, how exactly does this connect to the law of attraction? The law of attraction states that like attracts like. So when you script your ideal life, you're essentially creating positive vibrations that the universe picks up on. You're putting out into the cosmos what you wish to attract. The beauty of the scripting method lies in its simplicity and power. When you write down your desires, you're not just thinking about them, but actively creating a narrative around them. This process helps to clarify your desires, making them more tangible and real. Moreover, scripting allows you to fully immerse yourself in your desired reality, thereby intensifying the emotional connection to your dreams. And it's this emotional charge that fuels the law of attraction, drawing your desires into your reality. So, are you ready to script your way to your dreams? First and foremost, you need to be clear about what you want. Now, that may sound simple, but achieving crystal clear clarity about your desires is an art in itself. It's the stepping stone to the scripting method and the law of attraction. Imagine you're an architect. Would you begin building a house without a blueprint? Of course not. Similarly, you cannot manifest your desires without having a clear vision of what you want. So let's craft that blueprint. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and visualize your desire. Perhaps it's a fulfilling relationship, a thriving business, or a robust health. See it in vivid detail. Feel it, taste it, smell it, engage all your senses. This is not mere daydreaming. This is deliberate creation. Once you've visualized your desire, it's time to bring it to life through words. Grab a pen and a piece of paper. Yes, a physical pen and paper. There's something magical about the tangible act of writing that connects you deeply with your desires. Now, write down your desire in the present tense. For example, instead of writing, "I want to be in a loving relationship," write, "I am in a loving relationship." Feel the difference? The latter statement resonates with certainty and belief is the fuel that drives the law of attraction. As you write, let your emotions flow through your words. Feel the joy, the excitement, the peace that comes with having your desire. This emotional connection is a powerful magnet that attracts your desires towards you. The key here is to believe in the process. Believe that it's possible to attract your desires. Believe in the power of your thoughts and emotions. Believe in the magic of the scripting method. And most importantly, be patient. The law of attraction is like a garden. You've just planted a seed with your script. Give it time to grow and blossom. Remember, the clearer your vision, the closer you are to your desires. Now that your desires are clear, let's move to the next steps. The power of the scripting method lies not only in the clarity of your desires, but also in the intensity of your emotions. So, step 3 is all about immersing yourself in the emotions. Imagine that your wishes are already fulfilled. How would that make you feel? Joyous? Grateful? Relieved? Excited? Allow yourself to feel these emotions as you write your script. This emotional immersion is the engine that drives the law of attraction. It's the energy that sends your desires out into the universe. Moving on to step 4, revisiting your script. After you've written your script and infused it with your emotions, revisit it regularly. Read your script out loud, feel the emotions, and visualize your desires as already fulfilled. This isn't about obsessing over your desires, but rather reinforcing the energy you've sent out into the universe. The final step, step 5, is perhaps the most challenging, yet the most crucial. Let it go. Trust the process. The universe has heard your desires. It's working on them. It's essential at this point not to interfere with the process with doubts or fears. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting about your desires. It means releasing the tension, releasing the hows and the whens. It means trusting that the universe will deliver at the right time. Remember, the scripting method and the law of attraction are not about immediate gratification. They're about aligning your energy with the energy of the universe, about manifesting your desires in the most natural and harmonious way possible. So, be patient, be persistent, trust the process. And there you have it, the complete steps to the scripting method. To manifest your desires, you need to believe and act as if they are already yours. This is the essence of the scripting method. It's the art of writing down your desires and dreams as if they are already your reality. So let's recap the steps that we've covered today. First, you set a clear intention. Know what you want and be specific. Next, you create a script, a narrative of your life as if your desired outcomes have already happened. Write it in the present tense, and with a vivid emotional language that taps into your feelings. After that, you read your script daily. You immerse yourself in the story, allowing your emotions to resonate with the joy and excitement of your dreams come true. Remember, the power of the scripting method lies in the law of attraction. Your thoughts and emotions play a pivotal role in attracting your desires. When you believe in the reality of your script, the universe conspires to make it happen. This journey may require patience and perseverance, but remember, every great achievement began with a thought, a dream, a wish. With the scripting method, you're not just dreaming, you're creating. You're not just wishing, you're manifesting. So what are you waiting for? Your dreams are just a script away. Start scripting your way to success today.
Recuerda, suscríbete al canal, activa las notificaciones y así recibirás aviso de todos los vídeos que subo periódicamente, con la única finalidad de ayudarte y darte a conocer técnicas y consejos para que consigas tener una vida más feliz. Si te ha gustado el vídeo, dame un like en apoyo al canal y espero verte pronto. Brilla con luz propia.